Okay, you guys, so what I'm going to talk about today is how we can use Google Slides to create a diagram. So, one of the things I'm going to ask you to do in science is to create a diagram which shows the sun's energy making its way to us. So, one of the ways that we can do that is we can search for images directly from Google. So, if we want to insert an image, we can choose a couple of options. If you've already got some stuff on your computer, then you can. But one of the cool functions here is that you can do it from Drive, from photos on your computer, or by URL camera. But the function I'm going to talk about today is search the web. You know that all energy starts from the sun, right? So I'll search for the sun, and then I've got some options here, some cool looking stuff. Let's see. Actually, I kind of like this guy. He looks cool. So I'll select him and I'll hit insert. Then, so I've got my sun. Let's see. Now I want to get rid of these boxes. I don't really need those. And I want to make a line that shows that the energy is going from the sun to somewhere else. So let's see. I can select the line here and choose. I'm going to choose an arrow, actually. And then this tool lets me draw. I'm going to draw an arrow right there. And it actually looks like an arrow. You can kind of see the little point right there. So now the next image I'm going to choose is just any kind of general plant. So I'll go back up here to insert, image. I'm going to search the web again. Instead of sun, maybe I'll search, actually I see sunflower there. Sunflowers are plants. It goes to, oh, that's a happy looking plant. All right, so I'll select that and click insert. And there I've got a huge plant. So now what I'm going to ask you guys to do is you're going to finish this out and see, and so that you can show me that you understand the process of where energy goes. It goes starts in the sun, and then you can even give me some a little bit more information. So what I would like for you guys to do is enter some text boxes. So you can find this here. Insert is going to be your best friend here if you don't already know this. So I'm going to insert a text box. I'm going to say this is, these are plants. Absorb sun's energy. And you guys may recall from one of the videos, this is called photosynthesis. Hopefully you do. Anytime you can use good science words like this, I would definitely want to see them. And that's pretty much it. So I'm going to give you guys an opportunity to create your own. And if you have any questions, let me know.